Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Arvest Bank, full guide step by step clearly.
First, gather all your financial documents.
Include recent pay stubs, bank statements, and any bills.
Next, log into your Arvest Bank online banking account.
Explore the budgeting tools available within your account dashboard. If you don't have an account, consider signing up to access these features.
Now, list your sources of income.
This will give you a clear picture of your total earnings each month. After that, identify your fixed expenses. These are bills that remain the same each month, such as rent and insurance. Next, categorize your variable expenses. This includes groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Using these categories, start to draft a monthly budget. Ensure your total expenses do not exceed your total income.
Utilize the budgeting calculator provided by Arvest Bank for accuracy. Once your budget is drafted, review it for any unnecessary expenses. Consider cutting back on non-essential items to save more. Next, set specific savings goals. This could be for an emergency fund, vacation, or major purchase. Use the Goals section in Arvest Bank's budgeting tools to track these objectives. After that, monitor your spending regularly. Check your budget weekly to ensure you're staying on track. If you notice any discrepancies, adjust your budget accordingly. Additionally, consider setting up alerts for your spending categories. This will help you stay aware of your financial habits. As you progress, periodically reassess your budget. Make necessary adjustments based on changes in income or expenses. Finally, celebrate your financial achievements, no matter how small. Establishing a budget is a significant step toward effective money management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.